Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve this system of equations AB plus A is equal to 32 and AB plus B is equal to 35. Let's call it as equation number 1 and it as equation number 2. If we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, we can write from equation 2 AB plus B minus AB plus A is equal to 35 minus 32, or AB plus B minus AB minus A is equal to 35 minus 32 is 3, or this AB and this negative AB will cancel out. It will remain B minus A. So B minus A is equal to 3. Now taking this A to right side, we will have the value of B is equal to A plus 3. Call it as equation number 3. Now from equation 1, AB plus A is equal to 32, or substituting the value of B is equal to A plus 3 here, we can write A times B is A plus 3 plus A is equal to 32, or multiplying this, we can write A times A is A square plus 3 times A is 3A plus A, and taking this 32 to left side, we can write negative 32 is equal to 0, or A square plus 3A plus A is 4A minus 32 is equal to 0, or 32 is 4 times 8 and 8 minus 4 is 4. So we can write A square plus, breaking this 4A as 8A minus 4A. This is 4A minus 32 is equal to 0, or taking common A from first two terms, we can write A times A plus 8, and taking common negative 4 from last two terms, we can write negative 4 of A plus 8 is equal to 0, or taking common A plus 8, we will have A plus 8 times A minus 4 is equal to 0. So we can write A plus 8 is equal to 0, or A minus 4 is equal to 0, or A minus 4 is equal to 0. So from here, taking this 8 to right side, we will have the value of A is equal to negative 8, and from here, taking this negative 4 to right side, we will have the value of A is equal to 4. Now when A is equal to negative 8, then from equation 3, B is equal to A plus 3 is equal to, substituting the value of A is equal to negative 8 here, we can write negative 8 plus 3 is equal to, negative 8 plus 3 is negative 5. And when A is equal to 4, then from equation 3, b is equal to a plus 3 is equal to, substituting the value of a is equal to 4, we can write 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So the value of a and b is, when a is equal to -8, then b is equal to -5, and when a is equal to 4, then b is equal to 7. So these are the solutions of this equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.